So guess what, guys? She got a new tune.
Hit me with that bounce, baby. Come on.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. I really appreciate you guys coming back to my channel. I know it's been a couple days I haven't uploaded, but I'm back. I got some great news, but look at this beautiful day today. It's Sunday. It's around like 2 p.m. It's windy. It's bomb in Southern California. Guess you can check up the mountains out there. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Also, guys, if you're not subscribed yet, go hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of new content coming out for the Mustang Ecoboost community. So go out there, hit the subscribe. Also, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. It's fresh_2.3, and also on my Snapchat it's DJ Fresh with a 3. Alright guys, so I'm gonna talk to you guys about the tune that I have right now and the one that I'm about to put it inside here. Alright, so the tune that I have right now in my car, it's Tune Plus with Adam Tune Plus. I haven't done the data log yet. I was like, you know what, let me just try another tune, because I can still go back to Tune Plus, but let me try another one. So the new tune that I got for my car, I'm gonna be going with, drum roll please, it's gonna be, yep, it's gonna be PD Tuning. So I heard a lot of great things about them, about Ryan, about him doing the tuning and all the stuff. If like people are like saying any questions that you have, any help, like you could even call him on his cell phone. You could call him, email him, like hit him up anywhere, like in Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. He'll respond to you really quick. I ordered my tune, what was it, like 2 days ago, and I got it today. It's Sunday, so I ordered on Friday and I got here in 2 days. So now what I have to do is I'm gonna take the tune from Tune Plus off, and then I'm gonna put the stock tune back on my car, and then I'm gonna put the new one, I'm gonna put the 91 PD tuning to the car. And then he emailed me that I have to do 2 data logs. So later on today I will be doing 2 data logs with my car. Not right now because it's kind of hot with the cops, and especially because a lot of people are going up to the canyons up there. So, and also when I was coming up to the parking structure, there was a cop parked downstairs, and I was gonna ask him if it's cool coming up, but you know, I was like, let me just go up there. I'm not gonna do anything, so I'm here. So yeah, so I'm not gonna do any data logging right now because it's kind of hot right now. So the reason why I went with PD tuning, besides them being really good with the customer service and all that stuff, also the tunes I heard are really good. I also added the burps and cracks and, you know, all those popping. You added that to that. And the E30 also, I added that, but they're not gonna send it until my data log is done. They're gonna send me some revisions and then put the revision back. So like back and forth I'll be data logging, and then after the final ones, that's when I believe they're gonna send me the E30. So hopefully they send it soon. And dang, this sun is so bright. California, shine bright like a diamond. Sorry guys, whatever. So yeah guys, I'm really excited about this new tune. Hopefully it sounds great, do some good power. I'm not trying to say anything bad about Tune Plus, but I just want to try different, you know, you gotta try different tunes and see which one you like, and you know, so we'll see how that goes. And like I said, I'm gonna put the car back to the stock tune, and then tune the 91 that they send me. The first, it's not really a complete tune yet, so the first tune that they send me, I'm gonna put in here and see how that sounds. And I'm gonna do the parameters when I do the data log later on at night. I'm gonna try to go to Mexico with my little brother. I'm gonna tell him if he wants to come with me to record the car, but if he doesn't, then I'm just gonna drive to Mexico and then come back the same night and also fix the parameters on my data log, because I believe they're different from Tune Plus. So I'm gonna do that right now. And yeah guys, hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in a bit. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take off my tune that's in here. It's with the Tune Plus, so I'm gonna take it off and then put it back to stock. And then from stock, I'm gonna go back to the PD tuning. So what you do, you can go here. This is the main page. You can go back down to tune, and then you're gonna check what tune you got to make sure. So short current map, and that's the Tune Plus. You guys can see right there. So this is the first tune. I haven't been able to get the second revision because I kind of lagged it with the data logging. So that's cool. I'll probably go back later on to see if I want to go back to Tune Plus if I don't like the PD tuning, but we'll see. Alright guys, so after that, you guys see that I have the 91 with the Tune Plus. So now what we're gonna do is you're just gonna scroll down on the main page. You can go to uninstall. So that's gonna erase this tune that you have on there, but you're still gonna have the tune in here, inside the cob access board, so you're good. So you're gonna uninstall, and it's saying configure will completely uninstall. Do you want to proceed? And then you're gonna hit yes, and then battery, you should be good. Just hit OK. And then this might take up like 3 minutes. So it's gonna do its thing. Yeah, it's gonna take a couple minutes. I'll be back when it's all done. Alright guys, so we're almost there. We're still waiting. Just want to show you guys the beautiful day in Southern California. It's beautiful right now. Palm trees up there. Quiet, peaceful. Anyways, let's get back to this. Alright guys, so it's 100%. Now it's gonna do its thing. Alright, so uninstall successfully. Turn off your car. Wait 15 seconds. Alright, so let's do that. Turn it off. Then we're gonna hit OK. So now it's brand new. It's stock. So what we're gonna do now is turn on the car and see how it sounds. Let's open the door. Fresh start. It's gonna be a completely stock. I wonder how it's gonna sound. Just like a complete stock, back to the stock tune. Here it goes. It usually takes a little longer like that when you first do a tune. Oh yeah, that feels like, it feels different. It doesn't even feel good. It feels like a lag, like it's, I mean, it's alright guys. It's alright. Alright, I'm ready to put the new tune on here. So let's do that. Alright, so let's put this tune on. Let's install it. Wait, I gotta turn on the car real quick. When you do that, when you install your tune, don't turn on your car. Just put it as on. Don't like actually turn it on. Just alright. So it's reading it. It's the first time. Yes, it's Ecoboost 15. Alright, confirm. Yep. Imagine this is like is this a Shelby 500? Crazy. Alright, so here's the tune that I'm going to be working with. As you guys can see, it's a PD V1, so it's version 1, brand new V1. Click on that, warning and stuff. Okay, okay. Yeah, let's actually back up that data, because this is recommended. So again, your car's gonna be tripping now, like what's going on, but you're good, don't trip. So now we have to wait again. This one may take a little longer because we are putting a brand new tune in here, so this one may take a little longer. We'll just wait. And I'll be right back when we're good. I just finished the flashing on the new tune on the car. So now it's set to wait like 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds, and then you could turn it on. So now let's turn it on. Here it comes, first time. My first reaction. So it turned on pretty quick. Let's check the gauges on this. I guess can't really see it right now. I'm gonna come back to you guys later at night. I'm gonna do my data logging like I said I was, and then we'll see how it feels with the pulls. And then I'm gonna record the data logging and then send it to Ryan from PD Tuning to get the revision. So hopefully, and then I get the E30 and get some E85 in here. But let me just see, I don't want to rev it that much because I think when I was coming up here there's cops. So alright guys, I'll come back later at night, a couple more hours, go to the highway and then go to Mexico and then do some pulls over there and data lock the car, and then we'll see how it goes. And I'll see you guys later on at night. See you guys later. Alright guys, so right now we're about to head out to Mexico, to Tijuana. We're going to Mexico, go do my data log. I got my cameraman over here.
So you brought me to record?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So put your seatbelts and get ready. I got my data log ready. See how it does. Gonna do 2 pulls and see how it does, and then I'll be back with you guys. I'll be back once we get to Mexico. Yep.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just got home right now. I'm gonna end this video right here. It was kind of short. I just wanted to show you guys that I got a new tune. The next revision, I'll be doing another video on my E30 tune, and I got a lot of new videos coming up soon. But don't forget to please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Remember, we're on the road to 1K, so hopefully by the end of this year, hopefully, you never know. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. And thank you guys so much for liking the videos, watching my videos. That really means a lot to me. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys really soon. And if you guys have any questions about the Mustang Ecoboost or anything, feel free to leave a comment. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon. Woo! I'll see you guys soon.